Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Pick up our lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. And if you're reaching this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, give a girl some like, show a girl some love and support. Yes, my dear, what go on, do they do? How they do, wagwan, how the holiday treat to know. Locks, my love. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. So, it's coming to the end of another year. The new year, I draw power closer and closer. Yeah, and we have to give God all the glory, all the thanks, and all the praise for this privilege. You understand? Within the Panda wake up call list, a lot of persons never get this chance. You understand? So, we just have to say big up God. Mr. God, big up to you, sir. To give us another chance of life. Yup, for new opportunities, new beginning, fresh start, and all the good things, them. Yes, my love. So, me wish, for the coming year, nothing but love, success, prosperity, good health, success after success. You understand? Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So, make we get down into the video now. Yes, so in this video, we are going to chat the people them. Yes, my love, we got time today, so we're gonna chat the people them business. So we're gonna chat about Laura she and the whole thing where she come out condo say she have calling something pan spice review and all of that about Lady the Cake. Yes, and we're gonna chat about Curly and the Parson and whoever else involved in the whole Curly Parson Tory and all of them something there. So I know so all see that the review they already kind gone over about the place. They gone all about so I have to play back over here, so don't it. Yes, I don't see the whole review with Spice and Lady D and bad cake them. And yes, my love, Spice are one of the biggest, baddest, most hardworking female artists out there come out of Jamaica. International superstar. Bad lyricist. So yes, she purchased Lady D and bad cake them. Right? She spent up her nice, good money. Purchase her cake them. And she come out all excited, do up her review and all these good things. Yeah, and no doubt about it, she fall into love with the cakes them. So she come and she put her review out there. Her good review. Yes, my loves. And before we get down in all of that, now we see where Miss Curly, she my love, she come out and she speak on the whole interview with the love doctor and the Parson. And she go on with herself as usual. Loves, no, so when me I listen to the Curly, she me dear children. A couple nights ago, me loves I got me bed, you see? And I dream see fish. Me loves I dream see some breed of fish. I see shark, I see tiki. I see whale. All different kind of nether fish were into the ocean, me loves. I dream see. And I wake up the next morning and I wonder because say when Jamaican people dream see fish, who don't know what that mean. Breed men's galang in it. They so somebody I go. And me say but Tano. Then I could have who know me love. Only figure and the people them yard I find out now say me hear Curly. She I say she no feel so good into her stomach. You understand? So she good I feel like I say she gone. He say she pregnant. So me I said then imagine me go for me better instead of me go dream fi see the lot of money. Me go and dream see fish and only fi realize now say breed men step on Curly. Then I could have what cause all of this? And then Curly like so then say your whole woman up in a age so rich 80. And you come out here talking about breed men smack. Your breeding bag not supposed to wrinkle up, me love. You can't hold nothing again, my dear child. Is supposed to thin out any little thing going on that it go drop right out. And to you, Mr. and Mrs. Dream, for me don't know if you're a man or you're a woman. When me got me bed at night time, carry lot number come give me the super lot number or something. But not make me dreams in no fish and when me check a stack is Curly. Give me nice good dreams. That the fish dream there was a nightmare. And me love make we go along back now to the whole Lola and Spice thing, Later on we talk about Curly and the Parson. As I was saying, now me love. So Spice now she come out, you understand? And she do her nice review, yes. Give her honest review about Lady D. Cakes them, one bag of excitement, because I know just no regular somebody come out and review that cake, then me love. Is this the spices of all the spices. Lo and behold, excitement I got it, all kind of something I got did it. And me no have no doubt within a myself say Spice reviewed it honest. Because with no deep down say the lady them something have proper something. It's just that some of we are going to have preference over some of the cake them than some because everybody taste more different. You don't understand me, love? And right after the review, drop your know me love and circulate all over the internet. This year smaddy you could even wait till Spice swallow the piece of cake good and drink like water and belch. She fly over past her platform now, say she a come give for her opinion. You understand? Pertaining to Spice and her review about Lady D cake. And we not too surprised about the whole thing with them coming out. You understand me, love? Because you know, say after them usual thing that and them is so predictable that we can actually tell you what them are going to do and what them are going to say before them even start them live. We know them like that. Because say as usual, we know say them not have nothing good for say when they come on to Lady D. Nothing good whatsoever. So I was never surprised. Me just did feel like I said them would have wait so till everything, cool down, them would come out so hot in the merriment season, yeah. Yes, so the first one if you rush out. So far one me see rush out, me no hear about nobody else. If them come, me no see it yet. So the first one if you rush out now was Laura, me love. Laura and for our crew them. And them come out with the most fi say. I would know for them review and something where them a come with. It not genuine. It don't genuine. So it no matter what this woman do. It don't matter what this woman do. Them not go say the good in it. Them a go find any little drop or ounce of negativity in it and come out go speak pan that. Them not go speak pan the good. So the whole world knows if them review them not genuine. For our first thing she a go come out and say is that it was a paid advertisement. No, like seriously. Like seriously, ma'am? Then me ask you a question now. And if this year was a paid advertisement, right? Then I saw you would have advertised something without all of the necessary elements of an ad. You don't know when you go do advertisement, A lot of key things have it in that advertisement there. Then Spice come out all excited and she talk about the cake, nice and how she love the cake. Enough of the other main things were supposed to be in an ad, never in a that. So how the backside now who no come to that the conclusion say it was an advertisement and a paid advertisement. Yes, it was an advertisement, right? As people are going to see it now, people who never see it and don't know of the name bad, because everybody know about name bad and everybody know about Lady D. And them a go on, a piece of that excitement there and I say, how me can get this, where me can get it, who me can contact, and so. But we say now it was a paid advertisement. A lot of key things missing out of it. You understand? So that what you come with, it don't make no sense whatsoever. The woman come, she give her review just like everybody else and she give her honest review. For Spice no have no reason to come out here if you come take up for Lady D. Spice no have no reason to come join in with her no bandwagon. So if she never liked the cake, why the hell would she come out here and keep up all of that the rumpus there? And I behaving at that manner. You not make no sense. You not making any sense. Because at the end of the day, if she come out and say, oh, me not like it, she not have nothing to lose. Where she have to lose? So no look into things, man, I no think before no jump to all kind of rubbish. No come on no man, you despise this woman so much that you no feel within yourself say, nothing good can come for her, we just saw. Any good thing a go on for her. You no interpret it in a few no own way. Then you no come now with this whole cult or something. You no have fear no own opinion as to the reason why this woman is successful. You no take fear yourself now in the festive season when you no should have spent quality time with friends, families, loved ones. You no take fear no time and do a whole calling live over the woman. Do a whole calling live over Lady D and Spice where are the way better than you know. So you know what tell me say now? You know what if tell me say now say? By now, you no realize say the name bad cake already have a name for itself out there. It speaks for itself. Donna don't have to go out there and say me I beg gonna advertise this for me or me I pay enough to advertise this for me. The word of mouth advertisement alone is good enough. Right? Every business where Lady D do a word of mouth advertisement, run it, and everybody want a piece of it as soon as it drop. Anything she do, whether cake, t-shirt, slippers, anything she do, word of mouth advertisement. And before them even drop them down. Right now, everybody want a piece of the name bad cake. Everybody want a sample. Everybody anticipate a taste of the name bad cake. So lady, do you not really have to pay nobody if you come out and advertise for you, don't understand? For all who for pocket can't stretch long. All who for pocket short, everybody want piece of it. So Lord, who no not make no sense right now. You understand for no thought and opinion right about now can stay. Because you say we know say you not just do this because a Spice come out and give a review. You understand? You don't make your name out there for tear down this woman. And now you see another successful business woman out there, well known, popular all over the world. Taste the woman cake can come out and talk about it. You no have to come to find a way, you understand, to drag her down. You no have to find some sort of way if you come and tear her down. And then you know, my loves, now them have somebody's now into the comment section who just as fool as them, you know. For we all know say one fool makes many. For me see where this one individual now, you know, my love, she put into the comment section say, because she see that a lady this, she see Curly now with the angel, she a try to take over Spice. Then, you don't see how them people are fool are mad. You don't know, she says a set of mad people them over there. Look how long Spice out there big up Lady D. Look how long. And you never see Lady D and the angel book up a Canada. One of them here, I mean, I remember which one of the year them, but you never see. So if Lady D did want enough for herself, if she did want enough for herself, I would have she and the angel now. So if anybody a follow, who would have be the follower right about now? One that somebody now come out and say the review fake. Another one call in and say I send the cake did send to Spice so that she can promote the cake. Because say cake na sell. They don't know tell me now, as so Lady D would have chop it that when cake season done, she a go a promote cake. People like who know, you know, people like who know in the comment section, you know, we still gonna watch this woman every goddamn day. People like who know why she can come out with the same story every minute or every day. I repeat herself like a echo. I don't still sit down and listen to her. Oh no, ears not tired to hear the same thing over and over. No man, mercy Christ. One more say no when you know see Spice run from the camera, that's why run she go run go put out the cake. You don't see how no invested. You don't see how you don't invested right into the Christmas season. You don't should have spend time and make merriments with no famble. Then I never will know say this are the reason for this season. Right throughout the year, you know, hitch on pan this woman back. And the year are done, I know still hitch on. So that mean to say now, you go galang all the way into next year pan the woman back. But then you know been doing this for years. Years you know I do this in so me no know why this year would have make no difference. Same way you know galang in the next year. Yes, my love. So that once somebody now come out with fear crew them. You understand? So no can sit down and brace on yourself more because more out there one of them alone obsessed. More out there. More out there. That the next person they just not come yet, but you don't know so no can look out for her. If not sooner but later. The thing is because you say you no can know the human business. You understand? You no can know the human business. So you no just sit down and make up story pan tap a story. Because you so sure about FedEx until you go all Google FedEx opening hours them. When FedEx open. And you can come out with such confidence say FedEx not deliver upon Christmas. So how you feel now that the caller call in and say yes FedEx does this deliver upon Christmas. It's just that them not open to the public upon Christmas. But them do deliver upon Christmas. So how you feel about that? How you feeling in yourself when you hear that? You better you ain't just left that topic there alone, Lord. But not lie, better you ain't just left that topic there alone. You understand? Because we realize every week span tap of weeks now you depend the whole Western Union sin today. And you can't come off because nothing else that if it talk about, so you're stuck on the Western Union sin today. So now that Spice come out now and do a review on the lady cake, you have something else where you could have run with. So it kind of give you a break off of the whole Western Union one. But this no make no sense where you do. This could have done. You understand? This could have done. It no make no sense. Because right then and there, so you just out there make one big old jackass of yourself. As usual. A whole calling live would not come in with. A whole calling live dedicated to Lady D, hit to the Christmas, yeah. You know, by right now, you should have come out and thank Lady D. No found should have come out and thank Lady D, no, because if I never fear, no found wouldn't recognize, nobody wouldn't know, no. So that you can able to start up hate campaign just for tear down and drag the woman. So no need for thank her. But I hope God go with you in the coming 2024, yeah, because you know go tap and tap so till you no mouth land, you know somehow you know go regret, you know watch and see. For me have a funny feeling inside that me come in this 2024 ya fi hunu ina go normal. So me feel within a myself. Anyways now, me love, anyways now. Moving on to my curly, she out here now. For me get fi understand now, say she respond now to the interview with the love doctor and the person. And as according to what me I hear say, you know me love, she said that the person, Lord have mercy, she said the person I tell lie upon her, me love. But she not go beat the person body, you understand? For she say, the person never come out here upon him own free will contact them, force and manipulate the person, me love. So as so make the pastor come out here, no one talk up the things them into the interview, me dear children. But I not tell no lie, me love. She sound festive, she festive no backside. She no sound like a somebody have her cares in this world or have nothing to worry about, me love. Me not lying, she fool me. Me no know if you know she just a put out a brave front for the public or what. And behind closed doors she dying, I don't know. She sound merry, but she not come like somebody who had a messy Christmas or was having a messy Christmas. She sound like she had a merry Christmas, my love. Anyways, no, my love. You know, she now come out and explain how she and the pastor, get in a contact where the two of them are communicate with them one another and to the point now where the person donate to her. And you know me love while I there and I listening, you know me I say but you know I confusing I whole of this you know it a confuse me. I don't know who confuse me, if a curly I confuse me or a past not confuse me, but you know I am very confusing at this whole thing, me love. I can't understand. I don't know who telling the lie. Curly say how the pastor tell lie and the pastor come and say one difference in things. So me no know, I don't know. I don't know, me always I gather things in my gatheration. I try to gather nothing, me love. Come like I say, me gatheration now work. Nothing now gather up in it. You understand me, me love? Me just confused so. So basically now me just I try to look and listen and put 1 and 1 together, 2 and 2 together, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6. I try to, maths up the maths. I don't know. But somebody is lying somewhere. Into the midst of all of this, somebody is lying. But the point me finger is who, me kind of have a feeling of who a lie, me love. But I don't want to go to, I don't want to go to hell. I want to go through the pearly gates. You understand? I don't want to point my finger upon nobody yet. But somebody is lying. I don't know what puzzlements now, me love. I don't know what really a puzzlements now, me dear children. Is that despite all the things them when the person come out here can reveal about her, all the exposement and them something there. She over there I tell her followers them say they not to bash the pastor. Them not to cuss out the person. So that puzzle me. Yes, she said the pastor I go through things. That's what she say. Based on where she a come with, she say pastor not too hearty. But has me say me surprised, you understand? Because after all that she come out and I beg for the past and I tell her followers them say, no, don't bash him, don't cuss him out. You know like how she come out and she cuss out everybody else, me love, she cuss out people for less than that. Less than that, so it a bother me botheration now, man. And she say she not give back the $1,000 neither, me love. She say she not give back the $1,000. And she say a bad mind, people bad mind and grudge her master for her $1,000, me love. Me there a whole heap of thing she over there talk, whole heap of thing. I mean one of our no here already because no over there too. But curly all between me and you, come here man, come here, between me and you. For me feel with myself say, you understand the real reason why you not really want, cuss out the person. Cause as me say you cuss out people feel less than that, disgrace and class people feel less than that. So me I say no within that for myself, no, me I feel to myself say no, the real reason now why you no want cuss out the person, curly locks. Is that during the whole interview, you understand? You did sit down somewhere there, so you did catch your ears one side now. And you hear all of the plans, them when you hear pass and say, him did have for you. So I don't know if it goes, but that me I think. So you see, curly locks, me I think say no, because and say you hear all of that now. You come out here and you say them things, they are nice up the things, them and you beg for pastor for the people, them no bash him or something. You understand? So that you can, change pastor mind. Pastor can't change his mind, boy, you. It's like us now say, is that you want to get back in a passing good book. And that me I think within myself, curly. Instead of now if you come off a pass, now you're gone pan Ashanti, you're gone pan the love doctor. And them alone, me see I get the whole of the blame pan ya. And when pass name, the pan live, I never see nobody have nothing in head, And I tell himself it talk or else. Pass did I talk freely. So me not to understand how you go bring the love doctor Ashanti through the courthouse because of that you say for the last thing you do you go bring them through the courthouse. And you're so lenient pan person. It unlike your curl. It a puzzle me man. This is unlike you if you so lenient. Me don't know if you having any lenience for nobody. Me don't know if you having any lenience for nobody out here. I had the whole food stamp sent in the where person say you say all that a lie too. Me no know and me no know. You all say you have things where you could have come out contact where person tell you but you're not talking, you're kippy. You're kippy. Then person never keep for your business, so how you keep for person one? Me no wrong your curly, me no wrong your Buddha walk figure in a good Buddha walk back figure in a good book to me. Nah lie. I would have walk like a slave to see if I can get back into in good book. So to me now we know if you like I says person have a special place in your heart. As you said, the word is special. Yes, so person have a very special place into your heart. Anyway, me loves me not going on no depths and no detail and all of this because this is gone from the other day. I mean, no done over there already and hear everything and what take place, don't it? So me just want to drop me like a 2 cent pan the whole thing. Right? Anyway, so no big up on yourself, my love, and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace out, enough love and respect and big up to each and every one of you. I may see you back later, alright? Bless up.